prepping people for that in pregnancy. It's just wild how many different things affect core and back and posture. So many things that you just don't necessarily think about until you're doing them and you're aching because of it. It's not just staying like toned and trim while you're pregnant. Like, yeah, it's amazing to be fit, but
I'd say my goals now are to be functionally strong so that my body works well. And then as she gets older and grows up more and gets heavier, to still be strong enough to kind of be fun mama. Let's start with a nice forward fold this morning, taking chin to chest, rolling down through the spine. Let's give them some TLC. And I've trained people who said they're worried about training in pregnancy, and then as soon as they've started moving and they feel the benefit of it, and they love what they can do during a pregnancy, also after you've had a baby as well. They're just like kind of amazed by it.
Oh, bless you. It's definitely a girl, isn't it?
I tell you what, she absolutely shot out at the end. All of a sudden there was about this much and then her head popped out.
Oh,
She wanted to come, didn't she?
and enjoy your bank holiday trips.
Thank you.
Bye.
You have to provide a space that makes new mums feel comfortable to walk into, trying to make it as welcoming and as, you know, open for discussion as possible. I think it goes a long way with new mums, and a good playlist because they like some 90s and noughties music. Like previous style of training, there was a lot of focus on how many pull-up reps can I get in and what trick can I do. Now I probably focus more on being able to breathe well, the function of your diaphragm, and that link to your pelvic floor is really underrated. And then the kind of what people might think are like the boring exercises, things like dead bugs. Like, probably wouldn't have done those 4.5 years ago, a bit boring. Now it's like vital. I'm pretty positive that my pelvic floor is stronger now, functions better post having a baby than it was like 4.5 years ago.
Okay, last question. Who is Frank?
Given him when I was born. Frank is my teddy bear. Well and truly a member of the family.